Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Fidelity app showing a network or connection error even though your Wi-Fi is clearly working for everything else? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and toggle your airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off to fully reset your connection and clear a stale session that Fidelity servers can reject even when your internet looks fine. After reconnecting, force close the Fidelity app from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh. If the error continues, go to your Wi-Fi settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap on the I, and then tap Forget this network. After forgetting it, go ahead and tap on the Wi-Fi again and enter your password, which clears a broken connection profile. If it still shows the error on Wi-Fi, especially try switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi in the settings to confirm whether the issue is with your specific network. Also in the settings itself, go back, go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management and confirm that no VPN is active, since VPNs frequently trigger false connection errors on financial apps specifically. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi and turn off any VPN. The connection error clears and that's it. Subscribe.